welcome to our video. We've got Rylie, Scarlett, and Halle, and we've got our puppet friends. And today we have Molly, and we've got Jack, and Max. Yeah, we've got Max. And I'm going to ask the puppets questions, and they're going to answer me. And they're going to be really funny to answer me. But so this is Jack, this is Max, and this is Molly. How are you, Jack? I'm cool, thank you. I'm really good. How are you, Molly and Max? I'm good. How are you, Max? I'm really good. Okay. How old are you guys? I'm 7. How old are you, Molly? 6. How old are you, Jack? I'm 10. Yay! Now we're talking in a girl's voice. How have you been? Fine, thanks. How are you today, Jack? Good. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How are you, Molly and Max? Good. Hi. What do you like doing for fun, guys? I like to. Let's think. I like to ride on ponies. Okay. What do you like to do, Molly? I like to sit and watch TV. What do you like to do, Max? I like to do videos as well. Eat ice cream. Well, I really like to ride my bike. I'm more than everyone does. If you like to sing a song, you might be able to. I like ice cream and I like juice. I like to friends like they do to me. I like singing all my about myself like that. Singing every day. Stop it. Right now. But I ain't good to people. I ain't great. People call me. That's terrible. Now, you want to sing a song, guys? No? I am happy and you know it and you really want to shout. Okay, sing! I love lollipops, all the people are nice, but I am great. Is that it? I am nice. I love going to all the time. I love laying down, chilling, I know, and eating ice cream, and watching TV, yeah! How do you guys all know each other? You all hang out at the same park? Yeah. No, I met them in college. We weren't talking about you. We were talking to Molly and Max. Rude. What's your favorite color? Mine's black. Black. What's your favorite color, Molly? Mine's blue. Yes. Mine's pink. Okay. Thanks. What's your favorite food? Oh, that's easy. French fries. No. What's your favorite food, guys? I like fish and chips, and I like pizza. Dumb. Really dumb. Well, listen to you. You're very much, sweetheart. Yours is very dumb. Thank you very much, sweetheart. You guys are really funny, but shut up. Yeah, we are having a fight. Better take it outside. Oh, well, I would thank you very much. How dare you speak to you? How dare you speak to manager? You stop talking to him like that? You stop talking to him like that. I'm finished. It's not very nice what they just shut up. Sorry, boys and girls. Well, you need to have manners before you talk to someone. Because you can't talk to them if you can't talk to them nicely, don't talk to them at all. Yeah, that's right. Now, Jack, You go on the streets. Please don't. It's the last time for you, mister. What are manners? Do you know what manners are? What? Well, manners are that you need to speak nicely to people. You don't be rude. You're rude to me. You're rude to me. You're rude to Max. And Molly. And lots of people. No, even Molly. Don't get in my face. X. Wait. You have to learn about manners. You've got a bad attitude, Jack. Bad attitude. I like it. Well, you're going to stop it. Wait, I'm going to bite you. Wait, Scarlett. Don't you dare bite. Wait, stop. Like that. Yeah, you better cry. You cry like anything else. You'll be bruising parents or you'll be trashed. Do you want to? Yeah. Okay, you go. There you go. Hi, pretty princess. You're a pretty princess. Thank you. Do you want it too? You need to learn about manners.
They're crazy. I know how I live with those people.
There you go. You're dead. Can you be nice? Okay. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you're great. Sorry about the bad manners on my snowy puppets. Thanks everybody for watching.